Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your phone's Bluetooth with, in my case, my double DIN radio from Pioneer. This is, let's see if you can see over here. Okay, this is AVH-X3, let's see if you can, X8700BT, double DIN from Pioneer. The awkward thing that this Pioneer, the double DIN has, this radio has, is they didn't install an on and off button. I don't know why they didn't do that. Probably because of in the past these radios was often stolen. I don't have any idea. So what I've done, I created a button over here on my dashboard, under my dashboard. Let's see if you can see it over here. No, you can't see it. It's right over here. I've installed the button so I can be able to open my my double DIN. So this is my sat nav. This is my radio. Firstly, we have to look for the Bluetooth connection. Going to settings, connections, Bluetooth connections, and let's find this. Wait until we are going to find this connection for my my radio. So this is the AVH-X8700BT connection. This is my connection. It says over here connect. It says in Romanian, do you want to connect with this device? And I say yes. I should change the translation so you can understand better. But this is quite simple. Do you allow this connection? Yes. And now we are not in the Bluetooth menu, so we have to push this arrow, go to Bluetooth, and hopefully this is going to work. Let's see. We're going to go to YouTube, look one of my videos, and let's see if it's working. Yeah, it's working. And the sound is amazing. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.